What's the meaning of breathable? Breathable. Breathable.
Breathable. Breathable. The term breathable refers to the ability of a material or fabric to allow air and moisture to pass through it, enabling the flow of air between the wearer and the environment. Breathable fabrics are designed to be comfortable and help regulate body temperature by allowing heat and moisture to escape. This makes the wearer less likely to feel uncomfortably sweaty or clammy. In addition, breathable materials can also help reduce the growth of bacteria and odors, which can cause discomfort and unpleasant smells. Ultimately, the result of using breathable materials is increased comfort and improved performance for the wearer.